Are you thinking of buying an action camera? There are so many options out there, but today we're comparing two of the most popular: the GoPro HERO11 Black and GoPro HERO10 Black. Let's see which one is the best for your needs. The HERO11 Black offers a maximum video resolution of 5.3K at 60 frames per second. It is also capable of 8x slow motion recording at 2.7K. On the other hand, the HERO10 Black can record up to 5.3K video, but only at a maximum of 30 frames per second. That said, it does feature a 23 megapixels image sensor, which allows for higher definition. The HERO11 Black features Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization and horizon lock, which gives you steady, smooth footage no matter how much you move the camera. The HERO10 Black has Hypersmooth 4.0, which is just slightly less effective, but both cameras will keep your footage looking great. Both cameras feature a removable 1720 mAh battery that will give you plenty of life while shooting. The HERO11 Black will last up to 17 hours on a single charge, while the HERO10 Black will last up to 15 hours. The HERO11 Black offers 13 voice commands in 11 languages and 6 accents, while the HERO10 Black offers 14 voice commands in 11 languages and 6 accents. So if you want hands-free control over your camera, either of these cameras will do the job. In conclusion, the HERO11 Black offers the highest quality video recording, longer battery life, and more voice controls. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with similar features, the HERO10 Black may be the option for you. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision when choosing an action camera. Thanks for watching.